Hi, everybody. John Lay here from TalentedLearning with another hot take review. Today's hot take is on YuJa. Now, YuJa is who? YuJa. They're not an LMS for sure. They're an augmenter. They're kind of a unique organization in that they all focus around accessibility, and they have four product lines. But one of the product lines is to work with your learning system, your LMS, to provide an agnostic accessibility layer that sits on top of these existing platforms to allow them to identify accessibility issues and to also provide tools to end learners and students to be able to interact with content in the way that they can they're able inside of that. They primarily work in the education industry, so like K through 22, and being able to work with the content there and not on the corporate side where I like to be. But I like the solution because it really has the ability to cross over. So there could be another UJI out there that just focuses on the corporate space, or maybe these guys would be have some foresight perhaps to cross over that fence and find all this fruitful territory here on the corporate side of worrying about accessibility, or even on the government side where it is such an important buying criteria with our clients. But where they are right now is they would augment Canvas, Blackboard, Moodle, perhaps Cipher Learning or D2L as a solution. So one of the things that they do is administratively in their solution is they call their LMS portion Panorama. I've heard that before. It's a thought industries term, also pretty common in the industry. And what they do is they'll look at all the content and they'll analyze it. They'll do an assessment on it. They'll figure out where you're at. What are issues? What are things that you have to correct in the heat of the moment? So instead of producing this content, getting it all the way done, and then getting it tested, and then finding out you got gaps and you have to go back and close those gaps. This is a way that they can do it proactively. So as content creators and/or administrators, to be able to ensure that the content you're providing is accessibility. So what does accessibility means? Well, it means if you're visually impaired or you're auditory impaired, or a variety of other things that may impact how you learn or how you interact with content, it's proactively addressing that in advance, and that's pretty cool, especially in my view. I remember about hot takes. I can reminisce, but I remember all the way back when I worked for Click to Learn. They basically Click to Learn LMS, which turned into SumTotal, turned into Cornerstone. They released their Section 508C compliance module, and we had to go in, me and somebody else, into the federal government. I forget which agency, and have somebody that was visually impaired use our system using a screen reader. It's got to be 20 years if it's a day. And that's been the first time I was exposed to that. And so it's a concept and something I track at TalentedLearning, and track in vendors and how and their level of support and accessibility, because I think it's so important. And it all stems from that particular day. And that gentleman that was reviewing the software back then has kind of the similar tools, but way better with an organization like YuJa, because what they'll allow you to do is select what you want. And so you could take any content and say, hey, I need that in Braille, and I have a Braille reading device, and on the fly the AI will convert that content into a format that you can handle. And so you don't have to basically create content for every conceivable situation or use case, but rather you create the capability to do that. And then based on the learners, it happens on the fly, and you can convert this content and make it useful for these students to learn in real time. And so on so many levels, I think this is cool. I love accessibility, but I love to see learners that are probably way too often disadvantaged because they have a disadvantage, and not have the tools except hard work to get around that. And so I like this organization that's doing some good in the world, And if you're working in education right now and accessibility is a concern, I encourage you to go to YuJa.com and check them out. And you can find more of our fiercely independent content at TalentedLearning.com. Check it out here from very sunny Pennsylvania. See you on the next one.